Hi everyone, welcome to Key to Blogging, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can hide menus in your WordPress dashboard. So let me just show you. So when you open a WordPress dashboard, you will see this menu in the left section. So what if you want to remove or hide this section from the dashboard to make the WordPress looks clean? So you can do that using a code snippet. First, let me just show you how you can remove this section from your dashboard. So to remove, suppose you don't want to add the WordPress event and news in your dashboard. Then all you have to do is click on the screen option here and you can uncheck that and it will remove from the WordPress dashboard. You can also remove the activity like this, and here you can remove the health status like this. So in this way you can clean up your WordPress dashboard. But what if you want to remove this section? Suppose you don't want the user section, tools section all the times, then you can simply hide it from your WordPress dashboard. And it is very helpful if you are using a WooCommerce website where you have a lot of options in the left sidebar and you want to clean up some menus from that sidebar to make it looks clean. Then you have to use a code snippet plugin. So let me just go to the plugins and let me just show you. So let's click on add new here and you can simply install any code snippet plugin. So suppose I will search for like code snippet, and here you will get multiple plugins. Either you can use the WP code or you can use the code snippet. So let's install the code snippet plugin here. Now let's activate this plugin. Now let's click on the snippets here, and here you need to create a new snippets. Now you need to copy a code from here. So let me just copy this code snippet here and I will paste it here. Now you can run this snippet everywhere or you can only run in administrative area like this. So let me just select this one and I can name it like remove menu from dashboard, so I can remember what the code is for. Now let's click on save changes here and make sure to activate it. And as you can see that some of the menus from the left sidebar is now gone. And here we have hide the command appearance plugin, tools, users and settings. Suppose you want to keep the plugin section, then you can simply add a /2 times and it will comment that line. Let's click on save changes here and as you can see that the plugin is back. So basically we are hiding this from the dashboard to make the dashboard looks clean. So in this way you can customize your WordPress dashboard by removing or hiding the menus from the sidebar. So I hope you like this video, and if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button. I will see you in the next video.